This Siemens Spa Panel delivers a solid 125 amp capacity, giving plenty of headroom for typical spa, hot tub, or small pool installations. The factory-installed 50 amp 2-pole ground fault circuit interrupter breaker offers reliable protection against ground faults, which is essential around water and wet surfaces. Its outdoor-rated enclosure with a NEMA Type 3R design stands up well to weather exposure, so you can mount it outside with confidence. 2 additional spaces for branch circuits make it convenient to power extras like lighting, pumps, or small accessories from the same panel. The single-phase, one-piece bus bar layout is straightforward to wire and is built specifically for use with circuit breakers, which keeps the setup clean and organized. A built-in multi-position ground bar and compatibility with standard hubs round out a panel that feels thoughtfully designed and properly listed for safe residential use.